Alright, what is up? Hunter 1930s original fan collector, etc. Back with my video. And today we are going to be doing another catalog video. This time the 2017 Casablanca catalog. I know Casablanca and Hunter are the most talked about companies on my channel, but let's just get started off with. Got alphabetical index right here. And why is Casablanca the world's finest ceiling fan? And yeah, if you want to read that, you can. Designed for the world you live in. And of course, you get the Casablanca Aya. And the table of contents. And I really liked how they pictured it onto this page because it's something really, really cool to see. As you can see here, it's everything. And of course, more of it. Then you get the custom Casablancas too. And the accessories. Now we're into the traditional section. We got the Ainsworth, the 54-inch and the 60-inch together. Then you got the Ainsworth Gallery, 54 and 60-inch as well. Then you got the Concentra and the Concentra Gallery. The Fordham and the Panama DC. Then the Wailea on this page. Now we're going into the transitional section. The Canal Bay and the Durant. The 44-inch Durant. The 54-inch Durant and the Fellini. Make sure if I didn't skip a page because, yeah, I didn't. Then the Glen Arbor and the Heathridge. Holliston Gallery and the Utopian. And then that was an easy installation and the contemporary page featuring the Casablanca Duluth. The Aries and the Axial, I think I can pronounce it. The Aya and the Bullet. The Corrine and the 60-inch Duluth. The 72-inch Duluth and the 44-inch Isotope. The 52-inch Isotope and the Orchid. the Perseus and the piston. And then a Relino and the 54-inch Stealth. As you can tell, what the Stealth has always been a long-living Casablanca since the 90s. Then you got the Stealth DC and the Stealth DC LED. The Stingray and the 52-inch Tribeca. The 60-inch Tribeca and the Trident. The Valby and the 44-inch Verse. .54-inch Verse and 44-inch Wisp. .52-inch Wisp and the Zudio, which of course I think you should see that. Go over the pages so you can see what they were available into. So now into the custom Casablanca part. The Academy, available in 54 and 60. The Brusha, the control one, which of course is also available in 54 and 60-inch. We got the 5 Series Capistrano, which is available in 54 and 60 inches. And 54 to 60 inch. Same with the Chart House as well. And the Chart House is one of those outdoor fans. The Compass Point and the Crestmont. Then the Holliston. And then the Panama pull chain. And note, that's what the Panama looks like today. Then the Panama Control, featuring all of custom Casablanca's blades right here. And their accessories, like light kits and such. More light kits. As you can see here. Really liked how they did that. And more of their light kits. More of their lighting. Hanging system and down rods section and such. Now the wall controls. Of course, IntelliTouch 3 was going to phase out eventually. And that's pretty much it of the Casablanca part. Stay tuned because we're going to see the Hunter part eventually.